Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you that how you can get cs50 Introduction to Computer Science course for completely free. So you can see here is the edx.org website, and here you can see here we have to get this course for completely free. And this course right now is paid. If you want to get a verified certificate of this course, you have to pay $149. So we don't want to pay this kind of amount, so we will get it for free. So it's completely free, and here you can see here this is top 10 courses. This is the awards of these courses. So it's a very great course if you want to get into computer science. So you have to do this course. So we will get it for free. Let's get in. So we can get this course from OpenCourseWare with a certificate as well, CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. So here is one thing that we have to give exam, and we have to get an exam 70 plus scores, and if you can do it, you can get this certificate as well. So how you can enroll to this course? So firstly, if you are on a mobile device, you have to click on these three dots, and you have to click on and check on desktop size. After clicking on the desktop size, we have this course in a desktop size which looks better than a computer science, than a mobile size, sorry. So here we have all of the lessons. So if you want to scroll down this for the lessons, so we have to do it. And here you can see here week 0 we have to learn Scratch language, C arrays, algorithms, memory data structures, Python, SQL, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, Flask, and emojis in computer science. So this is a very great course. So we have a welcome. So firstly, if you want to get a certificate, you have to create an edX account. You have to click on this, and you have to create edX account as well. And lastly, you have week's challenges as well. So I will click on one lesson, week 0. After clicking on the week 0, it will load up. Here you can see here in the week 0. In the week 0 we have notes as well. You can get these notes for the exams, so you can pass it as well. And here is the problem sets as well. And from a lot of other problem sets as well, we will have final project. After completing these all problem sets, we have a final project as well. So we have, after submitting a final project, you can search it on YouTube as well, CS50 final project. So the people have creating it, but you have to create it from yourself. So you have to create a final project, and you have to submit it, and you will get a certificate. So what kind of certificate you will get? So here you can see here you will get this kind of certificate, and here will be your name. Right now you can see here John Harvard. There will be your name. So you have to create an ADX account, and with your name, that is your first and real last name. So you have to put real names, and a verified certificate that is on ADX. This looks like that, but it's verified. And this certificate have a value as well, and another one, this one, have a value as well. So all this for that video, and the link of this course will be in the description below. So bye till the next video.